Hello, how are you? Welcome back again with our channel. Hope you are always healthy. Disability awareness is an important part of establishing inclusion for people with disability. Often our fears and discomfort about interacting with people with disability is based on lack of knowledge, uncertainties, and stereotypes that can influence your attitudes. Few people who are healthy don't realize that there is sometimes a difference in teeth for people who sit in wheelchairs or use a cane when they see people who can stand and walk normally here, at the low point, and frequently weak. Quadriplegia is a condition when a person is paralyzed from the neck down. This condition can be caused by a severe spinal injury. Although quadriplegia is difficult to cure, it is still important to take steps to prevent complications. One of them is Miss Wong, a woman who had an accident to her spine, so she had to lie weak all her life. His life after returning home changed drastically. He can't do much alone. Paraplegia is paralysis of the limbs, starting from the pelvis down. This condition is caused by loss of motion, motor, function and sensory function due to disturbances in the brain or spinal cord that control the pelvic and leg muscles. Paraplegia can be temporary or permanent, depending on the cause. In contrast to patients with paraparesis who are still able to move both limbs even though their strength is weakened, paraplegic sufferers cannot move both limbs at all, as was experienced by a Miss Hang accident when he was young, which left him paralyzed, was depressed but was able to get up and live life as usual, although not like previously. Polio is a neurological disease that can cause permanent paralysis. This disease is caused by a viral infection and is highly contagious, but can be prevented by immunization against polio. Anyone can experience polio or poliomyelitis, but generally affects children under 5 years of age, toddlers, especially those who have not been immunized against polio. Apart from permanent paralysis, polio can also cause disturbances in the respiratory nerves. This condition causes sufferers to have difficulty breathing. As happened to Miss Huang, 25 years old, at the age of 3 years, experiencing intense body heat due to lack of knowledge, she was taken and injected so that she has polio since then until today. Clubfoot is a form of foot deformity that is usually present at birth, congenital, in which a baby's foot is twisted out of shape or position. In clubfoot, the tissue that connects muscles to bones, tendons, is shorter than normal. As happened to Miss Ani, 28 years since birth, experiencing this, and she continues to try to be steadfast in dealing with it. An amputation is the loss of a body part, such as a finger, arm, or leg. An amputation can occur as a result of an injury, or it can also be part of a surgical removal of a certain part of the body to treat a condition or disease. Amputation due to injury can occur in part, partial, or the whole, total. Partial amputation means that there are still some connected soft tissues so that parts of the patient's body are not completely cut off. While in a total amputation, the patient's body parts are completely cut off. As happened to Miss Ang, 25 years old, at a young age, had an accident and resulted in the amputation of both legs. Okay, for the current video, we've finished that. If you want to know more about their full story, please subscribe and like this channel. If you have suggestions and input, please comment below. Thank you.